This is a brief video tutorial for installing a rim cylinder device into an aluminum storefront door. You'll notice in this photo we use a drill jig guide made by Major Manufacturing. We are not a sponsor for Major Manufacturing, nor is this a video sponsored by Major Manufacturing. It just so happens this is the tool that we use to make the penetrations into the door. It lines up the through bolts appropriately. And you'll notice on the side of the drill jig, I indicated which size drill bits are needed for those specific through bolt cutouts. And it's just a quick reference guide and makes it a little more efficient. You'll notice that the drill jig is held in place with two self-tapping machine screws, and it helps center it on the door and keep it stable while you're drilling your penetrations. The green outline shows where you're going to be making your penetrations into the door for both the interior and exterior. And once you're complete, you'll be removing the screws from the top and the bottom to remove the drill jig from the door. On the edge of the door, you'll notice there is a window cutout in the drill jig. This is to help identify where the center line for your exit device is located so that you're at the correct height. Here's a simple view of the exterior of the drill jig where there is only a single penetration into the door. I always like to put a little masking tape on the door frame in case you have to rest the door on the frame. It avoids the potential for any kind of scratches. Once you've drilled your holes in the door, essentially this is what the pattern will look like from the inside. And then once you've created your cutout for the cylinder, this is what it would look like from the outside. When you've completed drilling all the holes for the through bolts and the tailpiece, you're going to want to get a countersink bit and then on the through bolt holes countersink those slightly so that when you install the bolts they will be flush up against the door. And here's another view from the top section showing how they're receded into the door frame. Thank you for watching.